Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I am Suhaily Maizan Abdul Manaf will present a study of the analysis of leverage, premium growth and firm size towards the profitability of selected Malaysian general insurance companies. Let's start with the introduction. Insurance can be defined as a service that delivers benefits towards risks that occur. In the event of contingency, an insurer undertakes to compensate the insured for any losses incurred as stated in an agreement known as an insurance policy. The insurance industry plays a crucial role in the sustainable growth of the economy of a nation. Generally, the Malaysian insurance companies can be divided into two categories, namely conventional insurance and Islamic insurance, which is known as takaful. Each category offers both life insurance and non-life insurance, which are called general insurance. This study has sought to focus on the general insurance companies. As reported by Bank Negara Malaysia, there are 22 licensed general insurance firms that are currently operating in Malaysia. Nowadays, general insurance has become more important since it covers almost everything, including homes, vehicles, health and businesses. It is imperative to know that the stability and effectiveness of general insurance firms will ensure growth in the economy. The insurance industry has significantly contributed to the resistance and maintenance of the ability of an economic system to function properly by supplying energy for other industries and the advancement of the economy in general. In order to accomplish this goal, the insurance company must not only be financially robust but also profitable in its day-to-day commercial operations. Thus, a key challenge to be investigated is not only assessing the financial performance of the insurance firms, but also having a thorough understanding of the factors affecting financial performance in the industry. Now let's take a look into brief discussion about literature review. It is vital to examine the market structure, profitability and behavior of public general insurance businesses in order to determine how the companies perform. There is a scarcity literature in the studied area. According to Taklid and Jasmindet 2017, age, size, leverage ratio, premium growth, capital growth, tangibility ratio, liquidity ratio, loss ratio, market share, GDP growth and inflation are all elements that affect insurance companies' profitability. Leverage is one of the internal issues that can influence the profitability of the general insurance companies. According to Komratana Panya and Suntrauk 2013, businesses have suffered from financial risk when they relied heavily on loan financing in their capital structures. Several empirical studies have discovered that financial ratios involving debt or leverage have negatively affected companies' performance, based on Aritonko et al. 2021. They have also found out that leverage has negatively affected the company's profitability, indicating that the increasing proportion of debt will lead to reducing their profitability. As with premium growth, it has a beneficial impact on both the firm's ROA and ROE. This supports the same result derived by Taggart et al. 2020. The pecking order theory can be used to provide an explanation for the connection that exists between premium growth and profitability. Meanwhile, there are a number of different ways in which the size of an insurance firm might influence its financial performance, based on Maizan et al. 2017. Numerous variables such as the number of workers, number of departments and total assets can be used to describe the firm size. Correlation research has revealed that company size has a positive but negligible effect on the profitability of insurance companies in Albania. Kripa and Ajasray 2016 have also added that their findings have figured out the firm size does not really affect the Albanian insurance company's profitability. According to Otinski 2016, which has confirmed a positive relationship between profitability and firm size, while there is a negative impact of leverage and loss ratio on profitability. In the meantime, Gibran et al. 2016 have stated that the size of a company also plays a role in determining its profitability. Now we move to a brief description of methodology. The sample size chosen is from 2014 until 2020 on a monthly basis, which has been derived from the Thomson Reuters Econ database, which has involved the independent variables, namely leverage, premium growth, and firm size, while the dependent variable is return on asset as a robust measurement for profitability. This study has been conducted at the 15 general insurance company out of 22 companies in Malaysia. The sources of this data have been collected from the annual reports and financial statements, predominantly extracted from data stream. The observations have been assessed by using the pool ordinary least square, which is to assess the factors involved. Now we move to brief results and discussion of this study. Based on the model, if the other variables remain constant, profitability will decrease by 0.5571%. The coefficient determination shows that there is a 56.24% variation in profitability, which is simultaneously clarified by the variation in all the independent variables. From this analysis, firm size and premium growth shows positive and significant results, while leverage demonstrates a negative and significant effect on the profitability. As for conclusion, typically, larger companies are more likely to perform better as they can achieve operating cost efficiency and have more resources. Still, there is a need to reduce the use of leverage to fund their companies since it can negatively affect their profits. A high level of financial leverage may be reflected in decreased market values, which may consequently reduce the firm's profits and lead to insolvency issues for the firms. In some cases, the increase in premium growth comes from the excessive growth of underwriting that can lead to underwriting risk. Therefore, the companies need to control their underwriting risk by reducing costs associated with managing the claims. Lastly, when businesses, investors, and regulators analyze the services provided by the general insurance companies in Malaysia, the findings from this study may have repercussions for them. That's all from us. Thank you for your time.